599, and this is problem 31. Okay, so with this particular problem, we are given the ordered pair of 5 and 60 degrees. So we want to convert between rectangular and polar coordinates. So we're given the polar coordinate, so we want to get the rectangular coordinate. So to get the rectangular coordinate, it's helpful to know the following, that x equals r cosine of theta and y equals r sine of theta. Because you know what r is, you know what theta is, and you want to determine what x and y are. So if we look at this, first want to determine what x is, then we're going to substitute r and theta in here, and then for y, r and theta also. So if you look at this ordered pair, you want to first determine what r is. So r is going to be your first coordinate, and then theta, which is going to be your second coordinate. So once you determine r and theta, then you can substitute those in, and then that will help you determine what x and y are equal to. So let's go ahead and do that. So x is equal to r, in this particular case that's 5, and then we have the cosine of 60 degrees. And then for y, that is going to be r, which in this case is 5, and then we have the sine of 60 degrees. Okay, now we need to simplify it even further. So cosine of 60 degrees and sine of 60 degrees, that's where we can look on our unit circle. So let's go ahead and look at the unit circle. So we're going to 60 degrees. So 60 degrees, start right here, go up to 60 degrees. The ordered pair, the first one is cosine and then sine. So cosine is going to be 1/2. The sine is the square root of 3/2. So let's go ahead and substitute those values in. So for this one, for x, we're going to have 5, and instead of cosine of 60, the cosine of 60 is going to be 1/2. So I'm going to substitute in 1/2 for the cosine of 60. And then for this one right here, we're going to have 5, and then the sine of 60. So the sine is going to be the second one, which is the square root of 3/2. Okay, simplifying these. So 5 times 1/2 is 5/2. And 5 times the square root of 3/2 is 5 square roots of 3/2. Okay, so then writing it in an ordered pair, because we want it to be in rectangular form. So the first ordered pair is going to be your x coordinate, which is going to be 5/2, comma, your y coordinate, and your y coordinate we determined as 5 square roots of 3/2. So this part right here would be your solution.